How has your life changed since becoming a Muslim?
How has my life changed since becoming a Muslim? Well, first off, Alhamdulillah that I became Muslim. And how it's changed is it's given me a sense of purpose. Like, before, when I was a non-believer, what was my purpose in life? I didn't know. I was just seeking pleasure after pleasure. But when I embraced Islam, my purpose is to worship Allah alone. And in doing that, it's brought so much meaning to my life. So now everything I do now, every action I do, is so much more meaning to it. In my previous life, there was no meaning. You know, it was all for nothing. But now, when you do things for the sake of Allah, there's so much meaning in that. And it puts so much emphasis on just living life. And I'll say, Wallahi, best decision I ever made. It's given me the opportunity of, inshallah, making it to Jannah.